In this video, I'll guide you through how to save Gmail emails to Google Drive. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to turn any email into a file you can organize, backup, or share directly from your Drive. Let's start from your Gmail inbox. First, open the email you want to save. This can be any message, a receipt, an important conversation, a confirmation, or a document someone sent you. Make sure the full email is visible on your screen so nothing is cut off. If the email is part of a longer thread, scroll through and confirm that you're looking at the specific message you want to save, because what you see here is what will appear in the file you send to Drive. Once the email is open, you're going to look for the print option. At the top right of the email, near the date and reply buttons, you'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. That's the More Options menu. Click that and a small drop-down list will appear. In that list, choose the option labeled Print. On some layouts, you might also see a little printer icon directly without opening the menu. Clicking either the printer icon or the print option does the same thing, so use whichever you see. After you click print, a new window or panel will open with a preview of your email formatted for printing. This is your print dialog. Here, you're not actually going to print on paper. Instead, you'll change the destination so it saves to your Google Drive as a file. Look for the setting labeled Destination or Printer. It might currently be set to a physical printer. Click on it to open the list of available destinations. In that list, find and select Save to Google Drive. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click on See More or See More Destinations to expand the full list. Once you select Save to Google Drive, you should see that reflected in the destination field, confirming that your email will be turned into a file stored in your Drive instead of being printed. Next, quickly review the preview on the left side of the window. Scroll through to make sure all the content you care about is visible: the sender, the date, the subject, and the full body of the email. If the text looks a bit small or spans several pages, that's normal, but you can adjust settings like layout or margins if needed. For most emails, the default settings work fine. When everything looks good and Save to Google Drive is selected as the destination, click the button to confirm. This is usually labeled Save or Print, depending on your browser, but in this case, it will create a PDF of the email in your Google Drive instead of sending it to a printer. After a moment, the file will be saved. By default, it is usually placed in the root of your Drive, often under a name based on the email subject. You can go to Google Drive in a new tab, refresh the page if needed, and then search by the subject line of the email to find it. From there, you can move it into a specific folder, rename it to something more descriptive, or share it with others just like any other file. That's all there is to it. You've opened an email in Gmail, used the print or more options to access the Save to Google Drive destination, and saved the email as a file in your Drive. This simple method is a great way to keep important messages organized and backed up in one central place.